Hello everyone, I want to share another simple before and after with you. If you watched the last editing snippet, this area may look familiar. The level is non-linear and branching, so today we're going to explore a different nearby room. And I want to look at this update through the lens of Sid Meier's interesting decisions framework. Sid asserts that a game is a series of interesting decisions. For me, a decision is interesting if the consequences to action are clear and balanced. Here's our room, as it was. Very simple, path from A to B. The floor is toxic, but the player is presented with a radiation suit, so there's no threat. The decision posed to the player, they can either move forward into the room or return to where they came from. There's no threat and there's no clear or visible reward. As far as decisions go, I'd consider this a not very interesting one. Looking at the update, the firewall is more brightly lit and a large health pack is placed prominently, breadcrumbing the trail. The radiation suit is gone in favour of the tenuous security offered by sparse spots of safe flooring. The player is presented with a decision whether to risk stepping onto the toxic floor to collect the health, requiring the weighing of risk versus reward. To exacerbate the situation, a demon appears from the shadows, applying pressure and forcing a decision. If the player is drawn in and collects the health, their new perspective reveals an opening into an adjacent cave system, presenting additional decisions. Visible, the rocket launcher, a rather valuable weapon, and a health pack, spurring a little more soul searching. Is the promise of a high-powered weapon enough to pull you out of safety? Here we decide not to enter the cave and instead continue through the room, and are presented with a final leap of faith,